What is up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Hold on, I gotta adjust the camera. Okay. So, today we have a special guest.
Me.
What's your name?
Hailey.
Okay, so if you haven't read by the title already, we are doing... Oh shit, what's this called?
Noise canceling.
Noise canceling. Yeah, so basically if you don't know what this is, you basically put music in your ears, blast it up, and the person, you have to basically guess what the person's going to say. Hopefully I described that well. I'm first. Let's go. Don't say nothing inappropriate. This is a family-friendly content thing. Is it up all the way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead. Make sure they can hear you.
You have short hair.
I have short hair. That was so easy. Okay. Alright. Can y'all see me? Okay.
Hold on.
Okay. What should I say? Aries YouTube is the best.
Aries is the best.
Aries YouTube is the best.
Aries and Christian's the best.
Aries YouTube is the best.
Aries is the best.
Aries YouTube is the best.
Aries is YouTube's the best.
Huh?
Aries is YouTube is the best.
Yes. Why are you so loud?
Because I can't hear myself.
Just keep the song going.
Okay.
Go ahead.
It's a beautiful day.
My hair's poofy.
It's a beautiful day.
Poof straight.
It's a beautiful day.
Poofy.
It's a beautiful day.
You proof weed.
It's a beautiful day.
ASMR is poofy.
It's a beautiful day.
I am a lavo. I don't even know what I said.
It's a beautiful day.
This amp is big.
It's a beautiful day.
This is amp proof.
It's a beautiful day.
Huh?
It's
This
is
is
a
a
beautiful day.
photograph.
It's
This
a
is
beautiful day.
Rain.
It's
Yeah? This is rain?
no.
Oh.
It's
It's
a beautiful day.
well, vacation?
It's a beautiful day.
Is it proofread?
It's a beautiful day.
It's the poofy hair for me.
It's a beautiful day.
Poofy stand.
Here, let me slow it down.
It's
a
a
beautiful day.
beautiful day.
Thank you. There you go.
Oh.
Poofy hairs.
Beep!
I didn't say anything.
Beep! Remember, I don't know how to edit. Okay.
Piss in the kitchen. Good job.
Okay. My fans are the best.
What?
My fans are the best.
Your face is the best?
My fans are the best. My fans are the best.
Your finger's the best.
My fans are the best.
Your fans are the best.
Yes. Don't sing the song. It's called whatever it's called for YouTube.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Glad you understand. Go ahead.
You have really long eyelashes.
I have beautiful eyelashes.
You have really long eyelashes. You have really long eyelashes.
I have really hazel eyelashes.
You have really long eyelashes.
I have really long eyelashes. Guys, if I don't do an outro, sorry. I don't know if y'all can see me. Can y'all see me though? No.
Oh.
Hold up, guys. Okay, guys. It's her turn. Okay, good. Okay. Okay. Meow, the cat said hi. Meow, the cat said hi.
Poke me in the eye.
Meow, the cat said hi.
Be out there like a guy.
Meow, the cat said hi. Meow, the cat said
Meow.
hi.
Meow like a cat.
Meow,
Meow
the cat.
like a cat.
The cat
The cat
said hi.
said hi. Meow like the cat said hi.
Yeah! Let's try to make it funny. So say like something funny. Okay. Oh, this is loud.
Okay,
Oh.
the trees outside are very green.
The trees are very green.
The trees outside are very green.
Do you look like?
The trees outside are very green.
The trees are over there.
The trees outside are very green.
The trees out there is very green.
The trees outside are very green.
The trees outside the house are very clean.
The trees outside are very green.
The trees outside are very green.
Yes.
Yeah.
You were close so many times, but you didn't say outside.
I said outside. I did. I don't know actually what I said. Tell the subscriber. Never mind. Tell the viewers to subscribe.
You're confusing?
Tell the viewers to subscribe.
Tell the viewers to subscribe.
Yeah.
Oh. I thought I got stuck in my ear.
Okay.
What time are we going to end this video?
Ha ha ha.
What time are we ending this video?
One time I had a cat that meowed.
When are we going to... Okay,
Wake away.
let me re-say it. Let
me restart.
When are we going to end the video?
One you eat in the video.
When are we going to...
It's ending. Let's just do that, whatever.
When are we going to end the video?
Mangoes are like peaches.
When are we going to end the video?
I'll leave you alone.
When are we going to end the video?
When is the video?
When are we going to end?
When are we in the video?
Close enough. Yeah.
What'd you actually say?
Yeah, when are we going to end the video?
She doesn't like me, guys. Ew, I looked weird right there, okay. I had a good one. Aries is the best sister you ever had. Aries is the best sister you ever had.
Aries is the best sister I ever had.
How nice of you, Hailey. Hold on, guys. You have something to say?
Bye. Oh, what was it? Oh, subscribe, like, and comment. Turn on the post notification. There you go. Yeah. Okay.
Nice! Okay, guys, you heard it first from her.
Me.
So y'all best do it if you want to see more videos of us and me. I should just name this whole freaking YouTube channel me and Hailey.
Probably.
Yeah, but I won't because I'm going to get all the money. I'm joking. But, yeah. guys, subscribe, like, and comment, turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. And like Hailey and I always say,
we'll be back with more
videos. Did we take that from the Ace Family?
Oh yeah, we can't take that.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was like mixing it up.
We'll be back and be back.
We'll be back and be back on Thursday. If not, we'll be back another day. Stay tuned. Let me do a really good transition. Pew!